Hi everyone, my name is Tara Heidinger, and this is my son Corey. He has moderate autism. Um, I am doing this video because 3 weeks ago my son came off the bus all sad. Usually he's happy, but he was all sad, so teacher was mean to him. And I didn't think anything of it. And then when we went to his friend's house, a classmate, um, he also has autism too, but he's more in high functioning. And he mentioned that Mrs. Kruckenberg, the teacher's aide at lunchtime, was very mean to Corey, and that she had hit him in the arm and then grabbed him really hard and yanked him, and started screaming in his face to stop crying. And he was crying because he forgot his 50 cents in the classroom. He really wanted his ice cream. He was looking forward to it. But he had forgotten it, and it's, change of schedule. And autism, they tend to cry or have a meltdown. I made a police report the next day, and I had also went to the school. I took pictures of his arm because it was bruised. The school said that they spoke to Mrs. Kruckenberg, and apparently it didn't happen. And they spoke to Corey and the other classmate, and they said that they don't know why they said it, that they did say that it happened, but it didn't happen. So I'm confused. Now, like, if I ask my son how he got bruised, he would say Miss Carper hit me, and that's how he says Miss Kruckenberg. He has a difficult in speech. That's why I want to fight for cameras in his classroom and all the other special needs classrooms. And I'm talking about gym, music, art, anywhere where these kids are that can't talk very well. And the same thing goes for teachers. If something were to happen, like for instance with my son, if Mrs. Kruckenberg didn't hit him, the video would show that exactly what had really happened to him. So I want to fight for this all over the United States, and hope that all over the world can see this too, that these children need these cameras. They can't talk. Some can't speak a word. They're in wheelchairs. You're 15 years old in diapers and need to be carried from the wheelchair over to the table. Something may happen to these kids. This is the reason why we need these cameras in these classrooms. Please help. Sign my petition. Come to my site. Like my page. Help my son Corey and all the other special needs children and teachers. Thank you.